Good morning, friends. Today I will show around a rooftop garden what all plants can be grown, and you are welcome to give your suggestions as to what more plants can be grown here. So, to start with, these are the cacti, various types of cacti, and to tell you, these flower also, some very good flowers they give. Like one is flowering, I will show you. Look at this one. This cacti is flowering, light yellow color, good flowers are there, very pleasing to the eye. After the cacti we have bamboo, two small bamboo plants. Bamboo, you know, is grown in the northeast part of the India. It's a very rich flora there, and put to multiple uses. Bamboo shoots are eaten also, and lots of constructions are done through bamboo, like say housing and handicrafts. All these make use of bamboo. So these are bamboo. Then we have red chili and green chili. So these plants are growing now and waiting for the day when some good harvest will be reaped. Then after this we have basil. You know, basil is a herbal plant, good medicinal properties. And these days of the pandemic, kadha or tea, it is recommended that basil leaf should be put there to have this healing effects. So this is the basil plant. Then we have some flowering plants. You can see the flowers. Good flowers have come. These are seasonal flowers and colorful, very colorful, orange and yellow. So lot of flowers come up every day. So that way these plants are very good seasonal flowers. Then we have another seasonal flower. These are red ones. You can see this red one is there. More this side you can see more have grown, more red flowers. So these are very good in the season, this season particularly. Then again we have a basil plant. Again, as I said, this is used for medicinal values, and pandemic this helps a lot in keeping at bay the infections. Then again one seasonal flower plant is there. You can see the long flowers at the top. These are generally white and blue in color. Then again we have a seasonal flower plant. These are red flowers. You can see one flower here. Beautiful, good flowers. So these are good ones and require very less effort also. Then friends, we have a very good Indian plant. This is called jasmine, particularly night flowering jasmine, or bela in Hindi what we call. The flower is having very good fragrance, and if you smell it, all your lethargy will be gone. So this is bela or night flowering jasmine. After night flowering jasmine we have a jasmine, actual jasmine. This is a small plant, eventually will grow into a good one, and give flowers also, very good fragrance also. Then friends, we have tried to grow some vegetables. These are the tomato plants that you can see. Some have grown bigger also, like this one has grown bigger, this one has grown bigger. And again we have a jasmine plant. After this again we have tomato plant, again tomato, and finally on this side of the roof last one is hibiscus, which gives very good red flowers used in the worship of the goddess. So this is on one side, friends, and now we will move to the other side of the roof to see some more beautiful flowers and plants. So let us wait for a minute. And this side we have again some different kind of plant, like this one is curry leaf. You know, this gives very good taste and aroma, particularly useful for frying of dal and other items, food items. Then we have a lemon plant here. It is a small one, will eventually grow into a big one and give lemons to us. Then again we have some tomato and some chili also here. You can see the chili. And then we have a oleander. This has grown very tall. This gives again red flowers. So we are waiting for this oleander to give flowers. After this we have money plant. the branches or creepers of money plant are going upwards towards the roof. Then we have another seasonal plant giving red flowers. You can see how beautiful the flowers are. And then we have Araucaria or Christmas plant. This will also grow into a very beautiful one. During Christmas we can decorate it also. Then we have an oleander again, and then one more, this seasonal plant. You can see these seasonal plants. These are all seasonal ones. And then again a money plant, and then finally you can see this aloe vera, medicinal plant again. So aloe vera is used for improvement in the skin quality and for hair also. So aloe vera is good to grow in your rooftop garden. So this is all. So make good use of your space on the roof. Thanks.